where we uncover the power of heavy machines, the brilliance of modern inventions, and the endless possibilities of modern technologies. The Ponce Scorpion King is a unique harvester that combines advanced technology and exceptional performance for modern forestry operations. With its innovative design and powerful hydraulic system, the Scorpion King can handle even the most challenging forest conditions. Its precise and efficient cutting and processing mechanisms ensure high productivity and minimal environmental impact. The Scorpion King sets new standards in forestry, providing reliable and efficient solutions for sustainable wood harvesting. The Woodcracker L1200 is like a superhero among logging machines. This monster can handle trees up to 47 inches in diameter, turning them into perfectly cut pieces as if it were easy. With its powerful grip and sharp blades, the Woodcracker L1200 makes wood cutting not only efficient, but also exciting. Forget about difficulties when you have such a reliable assistant in hand. Meet the John Deere 2154 D-Limmer Tier 4, a forestry master that not only processes wood, but does so with care for nature. This model, meeting strict Tier 4 environmental standards, stands out for its efficiency and low emissions. With its help, you can easily and quickly remove branches, preparing logs for transport or further processing. DFM Feller Buncher equipment is designed to automate the logging process. When combined with a Deere track loader, a real combo is created. Thanks to such equipment, the most difficult, dangerous, and labor-intensive operations of cutting down tree trunks and stacking them in packs can be performed. The machine can be used on soils of various types, including clay and sandy. Among the advantages are high productivity, especially compared to manual labor, cross-country ability and maneuverability, as well as ease of operation and high speed of operator training. When was the last time loading wood seemed like an easy task? That's all about to change with trailers from Dole. Designed for logs up to 72 feet, these 2- and 3-axle ingenious designs turn loading into a process worthy of admiration. With their unique crane and multi-telescopic adapters, every action becomes precise and efficient. CAN bus network control and specialized semi-trailer equipment ensure that every load is delivered safely and precisely where it needs to go. Wagner's L60 and L90 models are ideal for working in unimproved and muddy terrain conditions. Both models feature 4-wheel drive, capacities from 60,000 to 160,000 pounds, a rear swing axle, and a minimal center of gravity offset that stays directly behind the load, providing superior stability without losing power when turning like a large wheel loader. Plus, with the option of 4-wheel drive, you can always disengage the rear axle when seasonal ground conditions improve, thereby reducing axle wear and improving fuel economy. After long preparation and transportation, the new Plant Max X2 planting unit is finally operational. In cooperation with partners from Timber, Plantma Forestry has successfully tested and demonstrated on pine and eucalyptus plantations, showing its best qualities. The specifications and capabilities of this machine are quite different from anything Plantma Forestry has done before, but the trials have shown their technique has the potential to be a game changer in mechanized planting. And you can see for yourself how it works by watching the video. The 875E is a multi-purpose carrier with 2 boom options for loading or handling wood under the most challenging operating conditions. Optimally positioned controls and a large touchscreen display improve ergonomics and overall machine control. Model advantages include better service access, more reliable undercarriage components, and extremely efficient hydraulic circuits. The result is high productivity, uptime, and fuel efficiency. The undercarriage is designed and built to withstand the rigors of constant use. The heavy-duty body provides additional stability when working with heavy timber. When John Deere combines with FECOM attachments, trees literally lose their heads. This duo's power has an incredible ability to turn any forest into a perfectly cleared field. No tree can withstand their coordinated assault. Let's talk about the Biber 83Z. With the shredding knives or blades, you get precisely shredded or coarsely chopped material, depending on the blade setting and screen size. The 1.55-meter diameter blower with high-strength wear-resistant surfaces ensures soft discharge and produces coarse chips with low fines content. The 5.2-meter discharge height is ideal for direct loading of tall trailers. Ravor's WRC model 1250 AC horizontal bandsaw is designed for cutting wood. The saw is equipped with hydraulic components and is easy to use. It does not require numerous personnel. The machine is equipped with an electric motor for lowering, lifting the saw, and its pleated main columns are equipped with special plastic to improve sliding. There is computer programming of the cut thickness setting with display of actual log thickness and height values. This high-performance bandsaw really does cut wood quickly and accurately. How can you make shredding branches not only efficient but also comfortable? The HEM 593R Cobra offers the solution. This machine easily handles brush and wood up to 22 inches, making it the perfect choice for large jobs in the most challenging conditions. What makes the Cobra unique is its automatic transmission, which allows you to move forward without stopping, and the easy two-control system, which makes every action intuitive. Thanks to the centrifugal fan, the overload becomes even on either side. Plus, optional extras including professional tools and the Easy Light lighting system takes ease of use to a new level. This drum mulcher gets its name because of its cylindrical shape, resembling a drum. Skid Steer Drum Mulcher is a heavy-duty land-clearing mulcher that attaches to a variety of mini loaders and shreds small trees and clears them with a rotating forward motion. The patented spiral tine pattern, modeled after a vacuum brush, provides efficient material flow to the center of the drum. The 2-speed variable displacement piston motor is protected by a low-profile frame for maximum performance and visibility. The Diamond Mowers Drum Mulcher has 3 choices of powerful mulching tines to meet the requirements of any, even the most challenging project. It's time to say goodbye, but the tech wonders never end. Subscribe for more mind-blowing content.